The little robin must be just out of the nest. It's still at the stage where it probably can't fly, so it says, no matter what, don't move. The turkey was foraging by itself, or at least I didn't see any others around it. Yesterday there were 3 together, sometimes there's 5. In the winter, sometimes there's 30 all together. The great blue heron slowly walks out into the water. Don't know if it was expecting to find any food out there, but it didn't seem to anyways. Now it walks off stage. And before I left, another one landed on the reef.